Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to disable facial recognition on Bitget. Turning off facial recognition can give you more control over how you access your account and protect your privacy. So, let's get started on how to disable facial recognition on Bitget. First, open the Bitget app on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. At the top, tap on your username and go to the user center. Now go to the security section. Here, scroll down and find the facial recognition option. Once you find it, tap on the toggle switch right beside it and turn it off. Enter your Bitget passcode for verification and tap on the confirm button. When the switch turns gray, it means facial recognition is disabled. And this is how you can disable facial recognition on Bitget. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.